Hey guys, so we have a big breaking news coming out. Please share this video. The title to this article, "We Know Who You Are, and We're Gonna Come and Find You." This is coming out from the border czar, Tom. He said to pack up your bags, get ready, you're going back home. He's referring to millions of illegal that came into this country. Incoming border czar suggests criminal aliens self-deport. We know who you are and we're coming to find you. So this is a huge breaking news. Please share the video. Also, at the same time, it seems like Donald is going to declare emergency power, basically deploying militaries. All right, so New York Mayor Eric Adams, he's also teaming up with Donald Trump when it comes to 500,000 illegals in New York City. All right, so please share this video. This link will be in the description box. All right, so it says here, appearing on Sean Hannity on Fox News, Mr. Tom did not hold back about his plans to take a hard line stance against criminal illegal aliens, warning that criminals and gang members get no grace period. So, you know, the gang like the Venezuelans or the MS-13 or others, well, the Trump administration is going to go after them. And you guys seen what happened in Aurora, Colorado, when the gang took over a apartment. And it's been happening in Texas. It's been happening in multiple states. The border czar, Mr. Tom, he's warning that time is running out. Pack your bags because you're going back home. So while we're out prioritizing the public safety threats and national security threats, if you want to self-deport, you should self-deport. Because again, we know who you are, and we're gonna come and find you, Tom said. So, if you want to self-deport, that's fine. That's great. Tom continued. But criminals and gang members, they get no favors from this administration. Basically, he's saying we're not Joe Biden. We're not Kamala Harris. So there is a new sheriff in town. So you came to this country illegally, which is a crime. You committed crimes against the United States citizens. Some crimes, you get no grace period, so we're coming for you. Is it a crime? Is it a crime, even though AOC, Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, said that these are asylum seekers, and there's no crimes when it comes to asylum seeker. But Tom said, if they are seeking asylum, they need to go through the port of entry. But if you illegally come to this country, you have broken the law. And it's true. Countries has laws that we must follow. The Bible says to obey the laws that each nations have. Again, so why is it that they get a free pass? I'm just saying, you know, I'm not trying to be... Why is it that millions, they get the free pass, they get the goodies, you know, every month they get $900 in food stamp, thousands of dollars, free rent for 2 years, including electricity. And I think that's happening in Connecticut or Massachusetts, but they're giving them free rent, 2 years, they don't have to pay. And on top of that, $900 a month in food stamp. Meanwhile, our veterans are getting $12 a month in food stamp, and barely nothing when it comes to retirement plans. I believe these people, again, whatever country they come from, their leaders, they need to open up their pocket and give it to the president, you know, to, hey, this is for you, take care of my people. I mean, we shouldn't be paying child support for someone else's kid, which is not ours. But again, you know, I'm using that as a metaphor. But these people need to be taken care of. And I do believe that it's their presidents from El Salvador or Honduras, they need to open up their wallets and put some money in, because Americans taxpayer, again, it belongs to the American people, and we're not even getting any help. Again, I live in the state of Florida. We still gotten no help from Hurricane Milton, or North Carolina. Again, those people still waiting for help. All right, so making himself very clear, Tom said that those who have not committed crimes beyond their illegal border crossing can put everything in order and leave with their family all together. Asked about the logistic of the deportation, Tom said criminals will be put on an airplane to their country of origin. All right, so they're going to be sent on a plane and you're out of here. For those who have not committed additional crimes, Tom said, they found their way across the world to come to the greatest nation on earth, and they can find their way home. Either that or I can give them a free airline ticket. So even those that didn't commit any crimes, they have to go home too. Wow. That's a big shocker there. I mean, people that is going to college and, showing that they want to be part of this country. I think Trump said that he wants those people to stay here, those that's going to college and succeeding. He's like, we need people like that. We need those people because those people are positive, and we want more people to grow like that in this country. Trump announced Tom's appointment in a post to Truth Social on Monday, writing, I am pleased to announce that the former ICE director and state worked on border control, Tom, will be joining the Trump administration in charge of our national northern border, all maritime and aviation security. I've known Tom for a long time, and there is nobody better at policing and controlling our borders. Likewise, Tom will be in charge of all deportation of illegal aliens back to their country of origin. Congratulations, Tom. I have no doubt he will do a fantastic and long-awaited job. Appearing on Fox and Friends on Monday, Tom said he will be conducting workplace raids to begin deporting illegals. He also sent a message to the governors out there. Get out the way. Get out the way, because we're coming for your state. We're going to send back those people. So governors, if you are not going to help us, get out of the way. So he's referring to Gavin Newsom and all those blue states. So I've seen some of these Democrat governors say they're going to stand in the way, that's the one, of deportation and make it hard for us. A suggestion: if you're not going to help us, get out of the way. Get out the way, because we're going to do it. Wow. Tom was asked about if there was a way to carry out deportation without separating families on 60 Minutes, and his response left the anchor speechless. Of course there is. Families can be deported together, meaning the family will go on a plane, and they're gonna have possibly soldiers or security in the plane to monitor and make sure everything is all right. But that's where we at right now, guys. That's where we at. Tom is like, get out the way. We coming. California, we coming. Illinois, we coming. New York, Washington State, Oregon, we're coming. Get out the way. They're going home. We got a plane for them, and families will not be separated because family will go on a plane together. So again, incoming border czar suggests that criminal aliens self-deport. You go now. Don't make it hard on yourself. You better go now. He said, we know who you are, and we're gonna come and find you. Pack your bags. You had a sweet time, 3.5 years, but you gotta go back. Wow. So again, guys, This is a big breaking news. And like I said, January 2025, Trump will go and take control of the White House. He's going to have the Senate and he's going to have the House. And basically the Supreme Courts. So Trump is going to be cleaning up a lot of stuff. At the same time, I believe there's going to be protest in New York and all these cities across the nation. It's happening right now. There's some protests taking place when it comes to deportation. Anyway, guys, please share this video. Thank you so much for watching. The link will be in the description box. And for those of you that want to support the channel, we do have the PayPal link in the description box. Also, Patreon, $1 a month. We get you access to our live stream every Monday. So if you guys want to help and support the channel, we do have the PayPal link and the Patreon link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time later. Peace.